Hi guys, my name is Jeff Puckett. This is my intro video to, I think it's 553, our second semester internship field placement class. I am currently doing my field placement for a nonprofit organization that provides community services and resources. I am now part of the homeless outreach case management program, which is the same thing I did last semester. And I also work for the same company as the senior services case manager on the senior services side. Let's see, what were the questions? Something that has been really good about my internship is the fact that I got to meet a different population of people and get to know their needs and their abilities on that level. So that has been really good. One of the challenges is that I work with a lot of people with mental health illness, with a lot of substance abuse issues, on top of the fact that they're homeless, so they don't have their own space, they don't have their own castle in a sense. So that makes it really hard. And you also see that a lot of the people in the homeless area of that population are very untrustworthy of social workers, of case managers, of programs and organizations, stuff like that. And so with that, I think it's because the ball has been dropped in the past several times, and they just they have a disheartened feeling about the process and whatnot. So a challenge has been, one is that they oftentimes need or are on prescribed mental health medications that more times than not they refuse to take or refuse to follow through with, if we can even get them in for a diagnosis. Many of them like to self-medicate opposed to prescriptions from doctors and whatnot. So that's been really challenging. But for the most part, it's been really good, and I feel that I am actually making a difference. One of the other questions, what have I learned about myself? You know, being in this field, it is a very humbling position and situation to have your hands involved in. And so it's brought back some different levels of humility for me that it gives me more appreciation and more value in my life, my home life, my work life, as you can see. So anyway, that's all I've got. I look forward to seeing and meeting many of you if we haven't met already, and we'll see you soon.